Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, and in this video we will talk about find and locate. So in Linux, find and locate help you search files, but they work completely differently. And how different? Let's talk about. So first let's discuss on find a little. So if I use I can use find command to search files. Let's say I can use find slash home with name matching star.log. Basically I am searching in slash home directory with any name, any file name which is ending with .log. So if I search it, it will give me a lot of results. So let's clear it with clear command, and I can use find command to locate file based on size, based on time. Let's take an example of size as well. Size find pair, find files which are greater than 100 MB in slash var directory. So okay, it is saying me permission denied, so I will just use sudo. Okay, you can use control A to go in the start of the command. Sudo find slash var hyphen size, which size of file which are greater than 100 MB. Press enter. Okay, so it is giving me some results. So this is how you can use find command to search files in your system based on size, time, or location, or some syntax name of some file name match like star.log or something. And okay, we use locate to search for files as well. So we can just use locate, and let's say name of file nginx.conf, and if I press enter, you will see it is giving me a result. And did you notice that locate is pretty faster than the find? Find took little more time than locate. So we will talk about this, and this is the main difference between find and locate. It will lead to the main difference. So any guesses why locate is faster than find? Okay, let me tell you. So find basically is like a live search. Whenever you run find, it go through, it basically search every directory for the particular file, and it is searching for file in the current system and that particular time. But in case of locate uses a database which update, you can say, once a day, and it will keep the information of files uh, till the time when it was updated last. So whenever you will use locate command, then it will give you result faster because the results are already cached in the database. But in case of file, it is searching at that particular time, so that why find take a longer time than the locate. And but the result which will give you find will give you are more accurate. The results of locate are less accurate because it is updated less frequently. But you can update the database used by locate command by sudo updatedb, and it will update the database of locate command. And after this command, when you will run locate command, it will give you updated results. So this is all about the differences between find and locate command. I hope you find this video helpful. uh, Let me know in the comments section for any feedback or any improvement or any suggestion. Feel free to talk. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.